Have you ever wondered why some people seem to get richer every year while others stay stuck in the exact same place? You scroll through social media and see people showing off luxury cars, expensive vacations, and giant investment accounts. One person claims they became a millionaire from investing. Another says they quit their 9-to-5 job because of a side hustle. After watching enough of that content, it's easy to start asking yourself, what am I missing? Because maybe you're doing everything you're supposed to do. You go to work, you pay your bills, you try to save money, and yet your financial situation doesn't seem to be changing very much. But here's something most people never hear. Building wealth is usually much less exciting than social media makes it look. Most financially successful people didn't get rich overnight. They didn't discover a magical investment. They didn't win the lottery. And they didn't rely on luck. Instead, they followed a few simple habits consistently for years. The good news? You don't need decades to start seeing meaningful progress. In fact, 5 years can completely change your financial future if you focus on the right things. And by the end of this video, you'll have a simple roadmap that almost anyone can follow. But before we continue, take a second to hit the like button and subscribe. It helps the channel and lets me know you want more videos like this. Now let's dive in. The first thing you need to understand is that saving money alone is not enough. Don't get me wrong. Saving is important. Everyone should have an emergency fund and healthy financial habits. But if your income never grows, your progress will always be limited. Think about it. Imagine you save $300 every month. That's $3,600 a year. After 5 years, you'll have saved about $18,000. That's definitely an achievement. But for most people, that amount alone won't completely transform their financial life. And this is where many people make a critical mistake. They become obsessed with cutting expenses while completely ignoring their earning potential. But here's the crazy part. Your income has no fixed ceiling. Your earning ability can grow dramatically over time. That's why the fastest way to build wealth in the beginning is often increasing your income. Your paycheck is the engine that powers everything else. The bigger the engine, the faster you can move toward your goals. You can save more. You can invest more. You can eliminate debt faster. And you can create opportunities that weren't possible before. So your first mission over the next 5 years should be increasing your earning power. That doesn't mean becoming a millionaire tomorrow. It means making steady improvements. Learn a valuable skill. Switch to a higher-paying career. Start freelancing. Build a small online business. Negotiate a raise. Or create a side income stream. 5 years is a long time. Small improvements today can create huge results later. Imagine 2 people starting with the same salary. One person stays exactly where they are. The other spends 5 years learning, growing, and creating additional income sources. Who ends up with more freedom? The answer is obvious. The person who increased their value wins. But here's where things get interesting. Many people start earning more money and still stay broke. Why? Because every raise immediately turns into new spending. A newer car, a bigger apartment, more subscriptions, more expensive habits, more lifestyle upgrades. And before they realize it, every extra dollar is gone. This is called lifestyle inflation, and it silently destroys wealth. Your income rises, your spending rises, and your financial situation barely changes. That's why successful people follow a simple rule. Whenever their income increases, they automatically save or invest part of the difference. For example, if your income increases by $1,000 per month, invest $500 and enjoy the other $500. You improve your lifestyle while still moving your financial future forward. Most people never realize how powerful this habit is. Now let's talk about the part everyone loves, investing. Because eventually your money needs a job. You don't want every dollar sitting in a bank account doing nothing. You want your money working even when you're sleeping. Historically, diversified stock market investing has been one of the most effective tools for long-term wealth creation. Will markets go down sometimes? Absolutely. Will there be scary headlines and market crashes? Without a doubt. But patient investors have repeatedly been rewarded over long periods of time. Let's use a simple example. Imagine investing $1,000 every month for 5 years. That's $60,000 invested. Depending on market performance, your account could potentially grow beyond the amount you contributed. But the money isn't even the best part. The real victory is building the habit. Because once investing becomes automatic, wealth starts building momentum. At first it feels slow. Your first $1,000, then $5,000, then $10,000. But one day you look back and realize you've built something real. That's how wealth is actually created. Not through shortcuts. Not through gambling. Not through chasing every trend online. It's built through consistent action repeated over and over again. And here's something important to remember. 5 years from now will arrive whether you take action or not. Time keeps moving. The calendar never stops. The question is simple. When those 5 years pass, will you be proud of the decisions you made today? Or will you wish you had started sooner? The people who build wealth are not always smarter. They're not always luckier. They simply make better financial decisions and stick with them long enough to see results. So here's your 5-year wealth building blueprint. Increase your income. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Invest consistently. Stay patient. Repeat. Do those 4 things long enough, and your financial life can look completely different. If you found value in this video, hit the like button, subscribe for more investing and wealth building content, and share this video with someone who wants a better financial future. And now I want to hear from you. Where do you want your finances to be 5 years from today? Drop your answer in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.